So hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss about one incident that was happened in 1863 that is related to the placebo. So first time placebo is used by the Dr. Austin Flint. So it is one of the clinical trial incident which happened in clinical trial history. So now in this video I am going to discuss about this incident. So first we familiar with the placebo because it is all related about the placebo. So what is basically placebo and how Dr. Austin Flint was used that particular placebo in which type of medical condition on which type of patients. So in this video we are going to discuss about that incident which was happen in clinical trial history. So first we introduce or first we discuss about the placebo. So basically placebo is defined as a substance or a treatment which we designed to have no therapeutic value but we given to the patient for his psychological need. Means the substance or the treatment which do not have any kind of therapeutic effect or pharmacological effect, but they treat the psychological need of that particular patient. So this is called as a placebo. So it is also known as a dummy medicine. Contain no active substance, means it is a just excipient that not included active substance which gives the actual pharmacological activity. So it is similar to the that particular treatment drug, means it is similar but it not contain that particular active medicament. So this is about the placebo. So patients who respond to placebo are termed as placebo responder. So the patient who respond without any treatment having that particular placebo, so the patient who responds to that placebo, so it is known as placebo responder. So this is about the placebo treatment, placebo. And the placebo effect is a psychological effect. So I was told that placebo not contain any kind of medicament, means pharmacological active substance, but it fulfill the patient psychological need. So the expectation to plays a potent role in the placebo effect, means when the patient is taken placebo, so it fulfill the psychological effect of that particular patient regarding any medical condition. So the expectation means the expectation of patient. So it wants to overcome that particular disease condition. So the expectation of that patient is having a main role in placebo therapy. So this is about the placebo. So now we discuss about the Dr. Austin Flint experiment and how it happened and what was the reason behind that. So we are going to discuss about that experiment. So before discussing Dr. Austin Flint experiment, so we discuss about the placebo history. So placebo first time appear in medical literature in the early 18th century. So it include the Hooper's Medical Dictionary of 1811. Define it is an epithet given to any medicine more to please than benefit the patient. Means it is nothing but I was told that it is fulfill the psychological need of that particular patient and fulfill that what we can say expectation of that particular patient about that particular given medications. So so now we discuss about the Austin Flint experiment. So in 1863 Dr. Austin Flint conduct the first experiment on comparing a dummy remedy with already existing remedy. Means Dr. Flint conduct an experiment on the patients who is suffering from the rheumatoid arthritis. So basically Dr. Flint is a physician who performed first time placebo experiment on the patients who is that are suffer from rheumatism. So basically he taken 13 patients suffering from rheumatism with herbal extract. Means it given a highly diluted tincture of cassia. Means cassia is a So cassia is nothing but the herbal medicament which is used in the treatment of rheumatism, means inflammation of joints. So basically this experiment was performed by the Dr. Austin Flint in 1863. So he taken 13 patients who is suffering from the rheumatism. So he given the highly diluted tincture of cassia, and he conducted that where there were no significant difference in the result when he compared the placebo with the active treatment. So the result was he saw about the treatment. So the difference between placebo taken patients and difference between the active medicament taken patients, so there is not major difference between the effect of that particular placebo as well as the active substance. So this is the experiment that was conducted by the Dr. Austin in 1863. So the theories of this experiment was published in 1886 with the name of theories on the principle and practice of medicine. So this is the experiment and the incident which was happened in the clinical trial history. So this is about the placebo, the second cornerstone which is incident in clinical trial history. So this is basic about the placebo and the Dr. Austin Flint, who first time was performed this experiment on the 13 patient. So this is basic information about the Dr. Austin experiment as well as the placebo. So thank you guys.